My friends, welcome to my 200 3D CAD models in FreeCAD series. Today I want to work on exercise 188. It does look like a half end of a metal bar. So let's go ahead with image calibration. So this is 45 millimeter, and then I want to make that half transparent, and I want to start working from this face. So X Z plane. And here I want to start working, as I said, from this face. So let's go ahead and relocate the image, transform the image, and here I want to match the center of this hole with the center of the workspace right there. And let's get on with sketching. Since I'm working on part workbench, I'll be building this in two separate, like on this face there will be two separate sketches on XZ plane. And first I want to focus on the outside and this hole. So let's get on with the hole then. So this is radius 10, diameter 20. Got that. And then we start with an arc, right? So after that I want to do it like this. Maybe take a polyline, right? Pretty cool. That's the outside done. Let's go ahead and make this one vertical. Everyone's are horizontal as they need to be. So here is one thing. How would you make this point, this part? Like, how do you handle the degrees of freedom here? Do you have any preference? Because there are two ways to do it. Because this is perfectly flat, as soon as I bring it on this axis, that part is taken care of, right? That's tangential already applied. Or I can apply a tangency between these two parts. That will do as well. Is one of them better than the other? Do you think so? Let me know. All right, and this is diameter 25. I'm gonna go ahead and actually apply these rest of the dimensions in there real quick. And this is going to be 20. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make these two as if they're symmetric. So make them equal. And that constrains everything. Like I said, there is only point on line constraint, and here's the tangency constraint. These are two different ways to actually do the same thing. All right, considering this sketch is in the middle, we will have to extrude that 40 millimeter and make it symmetric by the axis. So that's a major part done. And then I want to say, take care of this color. On one side, it's got an indentation in there. Another side, it looks like it's solid one. So it doesn't matter which side it is, but looking at from this top view, looks like this end will have that indentation and this side will be solid. Either way, we will do that with a tube. So the outer diameter is 30 and inner diameter is, do we have that somewhere? Maybe here. So the inner diameter is matching with the inner hole. So 20, 30 and 20. We'll start with a tube. The outer will be 15 and inner radius would be 10. And the lengthwise it would be, so that's 5 millimeter on both sides. So that's 50, I'm going to say. Hit OK. As you'll notice, it's in the wrong place, in the wrong orientation. So let's go ahead, take care of that orientation. I want to make it flat. That's flat. Having 15 degree on the rotation increment on the angle helps. Sometimes I change it back to like 5 or 1, but 15 is always like it helps. All right, and then I want to bring it backward on y-axis. I want to do it from here. On the y, I want to bring it backward by 25. Yep. So that's like halfway, height halfway up. And then I want to make that indentation. So that indentation is 8 millimeter wide. Okay. So what I want to do on this side, I want to draw a sketch on this face. And I want to create a centered rectangle, something like this, and make this one 8. That's all I need to do. You say there is 1 degrees of freedom left, that is the length of this. As long as it's covering the circle of the tube, we are fine. So keep it wide. All right, there it is. I want to extrude that for 10 millimeter. Again, as long as it's crossing this part, we are fine. And now I want to delete that from the tube, and there is our edge. Very simple. Now I want to go take these two and make a connect, or like make a union. Either way is fine. Maybe connect is not fine. The union is the only thing to do. Now let's take care of this, which is a 20 millimeter diameter hole at the end of here. So that would be on XY plane. I can do that even without the technical drawing. Very simple. I want to take care of that by taking this reference line and turn on section view, and then it will be actually a 10 millimeter radius arc, just like that. And let's close it up and say this is vertical and it's on this point, and then that point is on that line. That is very simple. So it is sitting in the middle, so we'll have to extrude that. Now this is the part where part design is really helpful. So we can just click pocket and it creates the pocket. In part workbench, we'll have to do it manually. So we make that extrusion, right, on both sides, and then make a cut manually. Oh, I did something wrong. So this is the same thing, I did it twice. All right, so take the fusion and take this cutting part out, and there it is. That's our object. All right, and now I can say this is our example 188 complete. Well folks, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, comment, suggestion on this video or any other regarding my YouTube channel, please let me know in the comment section below, and take a look at this model in my on-sale lens library. The link will be in the description of this video, and thank you for watching. See you later.